So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not opening in your Android smartphone. So before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to fix your camera, long press your camera icon. Here you can see an option of app info. Click on app info and go to the storage usage. First of all, clear cache. After clear cache, try opening the camera app. Even then also your camera app is not opening, then come back again here and click on clear data and delete, and now try again to open your camera app. Even though your camera app not opening till now, then click on back. Here you can see an option of force stop. Click on force stop option and force stop the app. After this also your camera app is not opening, try to open it, and if it's not opening then tries to restart your Android smartphone. And after doing all that, till then also your camera app is not opening, then I will recommend you to go to the nearest service center and show your camera to a technician. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.